The future of compact drones has just taken flight, and this time, it's smarter, sharper, and more powerful than ever before. DJI has just introduced the DJI Neo 2, a follow-up to its already popular entry-level drone. But this isn't just an incremental update. With LiDAR technology, 4K/60 FPS video recording, and improved GPS navigation, DJI is bringing professional-grade features into a tiny, beginner-friendly form factor. Whether you're a content creator, traveler, or drone enthusiast, the Neo 2 might just be the perfect blend of portability, performance, and price. In today's video, we'll explore all the major changes, from its hardware upgrades to the new smart flight modes, improved battery life, and how it compares to last year's model. So get ready, because this drone might just redefine what entry-level truly means. Welcome to the era of the DJI Neo 2. DJI has once again taken the compact drone market by storm with the launch of its all-new DJI Neo 2, a feature-packed upgrade that pushes the boundaries of what a small drone can do. Following its debut in China, the Neo 2 is already creating massive buzz ahead of its expected global launch, and for good reason. It's not just a minor refresh. This drone introduces next-generation technologies like LiDAR-based optical avoidance, dual-axis gimbal stabilization, and 4K/60 FPS video recording that make it far more capable than its predecessor. Right from the design, the Neo 2 looks more refined and robust. It's slightly larger, measuring 147 by 171 by 41 millimeters without the transmission module, and expanding to 167 by 171 by 54 millimeters with it attached. It also weighs a bit more, between 151 and 160 grams, depending on configuration. But this small increase is more than justified by the sheer number of improvements DJI has crammed inside. Compared to the original DJI Neo, which weighed around 135 grams, the new build feels sturdier and more balanced in flight. Under the hood, DJI has upgraded almost every core component. The Neo 2 now comes with a higher capacity 1,606 mAh, 11.5 Wh battery, up from 1,435 mAh, 10.5 Wh, allowing for longer and more stable flight sessions. The company has also bumped the internal storage to 49 gigabytes, meaning you can record higher quality footage for longer without constantly worrying about running out of space. The camera, however, is where DJI has made its biggest leap. While the Neo 2 still uses a half-an-inch image sensor, it now boasts a 119.8 degrees ultra-wide field of view, a 16.5 millimeters equivalent focal length, and a wider f/2.2 aperture, which means brighter and more cinematic shots even in low light. DJI has also expanded the ISO range from 100 to 6,400 to 100 to 12,800, drastically improving low-light performance and color accuracy. Videographers will love the new 4K/60 FPS and 4K/100 FPS shooting modes, offering both cinematic smoothness and high-speed action capture, making it perfect for both professionals and hobbyists. The video bitrate has also been boosted from 75 megabits per second to 80 megabits per second, delivering richer color data and sharper details in every frame. But DJI didn't stop there. The Neo 2 integrates advanced satellite navigation systems, including BeiDou, Galileo, and GPS, for more precise positioning, smoother flight paths, and faster reacquisition of signal even in urban or obstructed environments. And to ensure rock-solid footage, the Neo 2 now comes with a dual-axis gimbal, giving you far smoother and more stable shots during windy flights or rapid movements. What really makes the Neo 2 stand out, though, is the addition of LiDAR technology, something rarely seen in drones at this price point. The front-facing LiDAR sensor gives the Neo 2 advanced omnidirectional optical detection, allowing it to map its surroundings in real time and avoid collisions with incredible precision. This technology dramatically enhances flight safety, especially for beginners or when flying in complex environments. DJI has also introduced gesture control, making it possible to command your drone with simple hand movements, perfect for vloggers, travelers, or creators who want a truly hands-free shooting experience. In terms of flight performance, the Neo 2 maintains the same top speed, flight range, and endurance as the original Neo, but with better overall efficiency and control thanks to firmware optimizations and improved aerodynamics. Even though the Neo 2 is heavier, DJI's engineers have managed to keep it incredibly responsive and stable, especially during high-altitude maneuvers or sudden directional changes. On the usability front, DJI's attention to detail shines through. The Neo 2's software interface is cleaner, faster, and more intuitive, with support for GPS navigation, LiDAR obstacle sensing, and gesture-based flight commands. Even beginners can achieve professional quality shots with minimal effort. Another major highlight is DJI's pricing strategy. The Neo 2 starts at 1,499 Chinese yuan, around $211, only a small jump from the previous Neo's price. For users who want more accessories, DJI offers several bundles. 1,999 Chinese yuan, $281. For the version with extra batteries and a charging case, 2,499 Chinese yuan, $351. For the combo with the RC N3 controller, and 3,699 Chinese yuan, $520. For the full kit that includes goggles N3 and the Motion 3 controller, creating a truly immersive flying experience. These bundles are competitively priced, ensuring that whether you're a beginner or a seasoned flyer, there's a Neo 2 package for every budget. DJI's decision to launch the Neo 2 in China first follows its familiar pattern, similar to how it introduced the Osmo Mobile 8 and the Romo Robot Vacuum, before taking them global. Based on leaks and past release schedules, we can expect the Neo 2 to launch globally in just a couple of weeks, replacing the first-gen Neo on international markets. But what does all this mean for users? Simply put, the DJI Neo 2 delivers the perfect balance of affordability, portability, and innovation. It's a true leap forward for DJI's compact lineup. A drone that's small enough to fit in your bag, but powerful enough to shoot professional 4K content, avoid obstacles autonomously, and stay connected through advanced satellite systems. DJI has clearly designed the Neo 2 to appeal to both casual users and semi-professionals who want top-tier performance without stepping up to the much pricier mini-series. The inclusion of LiDAR, a dual-axis gimbal, and gesture control shows DJI's intent to redefine what users should expect from a small drone. Its increased ISO range, improved aperture, make an excellent choice for low-light photography, while the enhanced bitrate ensures every video is crisp, dynamic, and cinematic. Combine all of that with a strong battery, ample storage, and precision navigation, and you've got a drone that's ready for everything from travel vlogs to cinematic landscape shoots. The Neo 2's improved connectivity and flight safety also make it a great training drone for new pilots before upgrading to higher-end models. DJI's consistent focus on usability and camera innovation means that even at a modest price point, the Neo 2 feels premium in both performance and design. And when it finally reaches global markets, it's expected to dominate its category as the go-to compact drone of 2025. So whether you're capturing stunning 4K landscapes, tracking fast-moving subjects, or just learning to fly, the DJI Neo 2 proves that small drones can still deliver big power. With the right combination of smart tech, flight precision, and camera excellence, this little drone has the potential to outshine anything else in its class. If you're planning to buy your first drone or upgrade from the original DJI Neo, the DJI Neo 2 is absolutely worth the wait. With LiDAR obstacle avoidance, 4K/60 FPS video, and enhanced GPS navigation, it's easily one of the smartest and most capable compact drones of 2025. DJI has managed to pack premium features into an affordable, travel-friendly package that's perfect for creators and explorers alike. Once it hits the global market, this drone could redefine what entry-level means for the industry. So, if you're serious about aerial photography or cinematic drone shots, keep your eyes on this one. And for more detailed coverage of the latest drone and camera releases, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to TechVerse, where we bring you the future of technology one flight at a time.